Grandpa, Grandpa!
Yes, George?
Grandpa, can I ask you a favor?
Of course, George. Anything you like.
Can you please teach me numbers today?
Of course I can, George.
Yay, I'm so excited. Thank you, Grandpa. I love you.
No problem, George. I'm gonna teach you colors as well.
Wow, you are the great grandpa in the world.
And you are the greatest grandson in the world.
Thank you, Grandpa. I'm so excited.
So, George, now sit tight and listen to me because I'm gonna teach you numbers and colors with Play-Doh.
Yay, I'm so excited. I love Play-Doh. I love Play-Doh.
I know, that's why I'm using Play-Doh.
Thank you, Grandpa. I'm just gonna go and have a seat and keep my eyes on you.
Okay, George, follow me. This is blue Play-Doh. This is number 0. This is 0. The color is blue. Green. With green, we're gonna make number 1. Number 1. This is number 1. This is purple. With purple, we're gonna make number 2. Number 2. And this is number 2. The color is purple. Pink Play-Doh. Three. And this is number 3. The color is pink. Black Play-Doh. Number 4. This is number 4. And the color is black. White Play-Doh. Number 5. This is number 5. And the color is white. Red Play-Doh. Number 6. This is number 6. And the color is red. Yellow Play-Doh. Number 7. This is number 7. And the color is yellow. Brown Play-Doh. Number 8. This is number 8. And the color is brown. Orange Play-Doh. Number 9. This is number 9. And the color is orange. Here we have white and black Play-Doh. We're gonna mix them together. And guess what? We're gonna get grape Play-Doh. And this is gray Play-Doh. See? It looks nice and gray. And now, guess which number comes after number 9? Yes, you are right. After number 9, it comes number 10. Now I've got another question. What numbers do we need to make number 10? We need number 1 and number 0. This is 10. This is number 1. And this is number 0. And this is number 10. The color is gray. And these, George, were all the numbers from 0 to 10. How did you like my lesson?
Oh, I love it. I love it. I had so much fun. And I even learned colors and numbers. Thank you, Grandpa.
You're welcome, George. Anytime. Now let me count them. Okay, George, are you ready?
Yes, Grandpa, I'm ready.
Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now I'm gonna tell you the colors. blue, green, purple, pink, black, white, red, yellow, brown, orange, and gray. Now, George, it's your turn.
Yay, I'm so excited. Let me count them and I'll tell you the colors as well.
Okay, go ahead, George.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now colors. Blue, green, purple, pink, black, white, red, yellow, brown, orange, gray.
Great job, George.
Thank you, Grandpa.
No problem, George. And this, our little friends, was everything we had prepared for you today. Thanks for watching our videos, and don't forget to subscribe on funkidscollection.com for more fun and learning videos. See you next time. Until then, enjoy it.